Hi there, I'm Shane, and this is Kaya, my puppy, and this is just going to be a little behind the scenes of a photo shoot I did with her here in my basement. We've been cooped up in the house for a few days now, and conveniently had all my studio lighting and a small portable backdrop, so I figured we might as well do a photo shoot with her. I did opt to use LED lighting over strobes just because I didn't want to blind my dog with constant flashing. With that said though, Kaya is pretty comfortable in front of the camera, and I have her pretty well trained, or she has me pretty well trained to give her treats every time I want to take a photo of her. So she was having a good time getting all these treats throughout the photo shoot. I have her kind of trained so that when I lift my hand up, she'll look at wherever it is so that we can get a photo of her with her eyes in the frame. But there's a few fun ones of her really showing her personality throughout the shoot. Halfway through, I opted to switch backdrops over to a white one, and I kind of wanted to get that look that you have on dog food commercials or when you see just typical dog advertisement with the white background. And I thought these were funny because they made her look way larger than she actually is. Before we finished, we had some fun playing with some colored backgrounds as well, making things look a little bit more tropical and spring-like. Move back. She even let me take some photos with her at the end, but a few of them turned out really, really well, and I was really happy with kind of the more moody versions of them, and I'm excited to print a few of these off to hang on my wall. Well, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you in the next one, and have a good day.